Very good morning, students. How are you? I think you may all are fine, right? Students, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. In this class, I am going to start new chapter soil. Students, then do you know what is soil? The planet Earth on which we live is made of soil and rocks. Okay, Earth is made up of soil and rocks. Soil is the uppermost layer of Earth in which plants grow and on which we walk. And plants grow in soil. The rice, wheat, vegetables, and fruits that we eat grow in soil. Soil provides water and nutrients which help plants to grow well, right? And soil is also a shelter for many small living things. Some animals, such as earthworms, rats, moles, snakes, rabbits, beetles, worms, ants, and tiny microbes, live in the soil. Without soil, most life on earth would not survive. Soil is such an important natural resource. So, let us learn more about soil. Students, do you know what is soil made up of? Students, soil is made up of mixture of clay, sand and rock particles. Okay. Soil contains rocks and stones of different sizes, and it also contains clay, sand and gravel. Clay consists of very fine pieces of rock. Sand consists of grainy but bigger pieces of rock. Gravel consists of small stones. Soil also contains minerals which help plants to grow well. The decayed organic matter consists of the remains of dead plants and animals and is called humus. Okay, soil contains humus also. Dead and decayed plant and animal matter is called humus. Humus provides nutrients for growth of plants. Soil contains air and water also. Soil is not hard as rock. There are spaces between the particles of soil that hold water and air. Some living things like earthworms live in soil. Okay. The movement of earthworms adds spaces in the soil that allow circulation of air and water. This earthworms also called as farmer's friend. Do you know earthworms digest soil and their excreta improves soil fertility. The microbes in the soil decompose organic matter and creates humus. So, earthworms are called farmer's friend. Students, now we are going to know the different layers of soil. Soil is made up of three different layers. Three different layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. These are the three different layers of soil. Students, all of you see here in this picture different layers of soil. Here, first layer of soil is topsoil. Okay, all of you see here. This is top soil. The top layer of soil is called top soil. It contains a lot of humus. Okay, humus is dead and decayed plant and animal matter. Humus provides nutrients for growth of plants. Okay, it is the layer where plants grow. The top soil is very precious. It not only allows plants to grow but also help absorb rainwater which forms the groundwater. Students, next layer of soil is subsoil. Okay, all of you see here. This is the subsoil. Okay, the layer below the topsoil. Okay, all of you see here. This is the topsoil, right? Below the topsoil, this is subsoil. The layer below the topsoil is called subsoil. Subsoil contains mostly minerals and some amount of humus. Okay, and only the deepest plant roots reach the subsoil. And next layer of soil is bedrock. Okay, all of you see here. This is the layer of soil, bedrock. Okay, the bottom layer. This bottom layer is made of solid rocks and is called bedrock. Okay, a layer of broken rocks rest on the bedrock. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Some of this rock may have gone into forming the soil above. Okay, and in some places on earth the bedrock is found at 1 to 2 meters depth. In other places it is 100 to 200 meters depth, or even more than 200 meters. Okay, this is all about three different layers of soil. Students, in this class we have learnt about soil, right? Soil and layers of soil. If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.